Everybody has got dreams, ideas. It is that or be a monkey. Right now, I am picking us for angels, not monkeys. So you stay with me.
I don't want to be a part of this anymore.
Stay with us.
I bet you never heard old Marshall Dillon say, Miss Kitty, have you ever
Oh, come on, horse.
settling down with me?
Damn it.
If I ask you twice and beg you pretty please, you should have said yes in a New York minute. Never tied a knot.
And one of them's dead.
What was the minute he stole his that
God,
way?
what a shit
He
show.
never hung his head.
Yeah, take a lasso out.
Kitty's place. I should have been a cowboy. I should have learned to roll around.
Stop running. It's my first time out here. Hold on.
Ride my pony on
Kill
the
me, dude.
ground.
Stop making this.
Stealing young girls'
There we
hearts.
go.
Just like jeans and
Oh, fuck. I don't know how this works.
my song. Oh, I should have been a cowboy.
Oh, shit.
I'd have fantasized.
At my age.
You dumb shit!
Oh, god damn it.
Yeah, he claims that he got like knee injuries and got charged
What
medically.
the fuck? Taking him out.
See if they have anything. If not, we'll come back down and get this card. I know. Look, if you find a 4-person thing and you don't kill them all,
This is what happens when you don't kill the fucking turtles.
That was a full there.
Oh my God, it's a woman.
What the fuck just happened?
Why don't you just make it easier for everyone else and take that off?
Why don't you shut the fuck up? Is it Bounty Hunter on sale right now? Oh my god, I just punched my horse in the fucking face! Croc's probably like petting his.
You like the new game, bro?
He collabs with shotguns.
do you think I can jump over the train?
No, never shot.
You can't jump over the train. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. Ride till I can't no more. Take my
Bitch.
horse to the old town road.
The fuck?
Ride till I can't no more.
Holy shit!
Horse tagging the post. Had his mask off, got the like a mouse. Riding on a horse, you can whip your force. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up all the boards now. Ain't nobody tell me nothing.
What? Hello? No, I wanted on one for the fun. Look at it.
What's wrong?
No, bear's leg!
The boys are riding.
You're
He
shitting.
killed another.
You're shitting me, bro.
On the right hand side. Oh, don't. Oh my god.
Alright.
Oh my god, it's a wolf.
What's that? It's a dog. Dickhead.